To send money from Ireland to India, you need to follow a series of steps that ensure a smooth and secure transaction. First, you need to choose a suitable method for transferring money, such as online money transfer services, banks, or currency exchange offices. Online money transfer services like TransferWise, PayPal, and Remitly are popular options due to their competitive exchange rates and lower fees. Banks and currency exchange offices are also viable alternatives, although they may charge higher fees and have less favorable exchange rates. Once you have selected a method, you will need to gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in India. If you are using an online service, you will need to create an account, verify your identity, and link your payment method, such as a debit or credit card, or your Irish bank account. After setting up your account, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you wish to send. You will then be presented with the exchange rate and any applicable fees, which you should review carefully before confirming the transaction. It is essential to compare the exchange rates and fees offered by different providers to ensure you get the best deal. Additionally, you should check the recipient's bank account details to avoid any errors or delays in the transfer. When the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation, and the recipient will be notified when the funds are credited to their account. The transfer time can vary depending on the method and the provider, but most online services offer fast and efficient transfers, often within a few hours or a day. To avoid any issues, make sure to comply with the regulatory requirements, such as providing accurate information and adhering to the transfer limits. You should also keep a record of the transaction, including the reference number and the receipt, in case you need to track the transfer or resolve any disputes. In conclusion, sending money from Ireland to India is a straightforward process that requires some planning and research. By choosing the right method, gathering the necessary information, and following the steps carefully, you can ensure a safe and efficient transfer of funds to your loved ones in India.